right, so we're gonna start really easy. What's your name and the name of your business?
My name is Drew, and my business is I'm an influencer. My artist name is Drizzik. I'm an artist on social media.
Nice. And what do you think of tonight's workshop?
I think it was really dope. As a content creator myself, I already knew a lot of the info, but I definitely got some like key, just tools, like online tools that I could use to help me out. And it's also really cool to see, their checklists and just how, that there's like a real process that you run through when helping someone out on social media.
Nice. And what do you think of the speaker?
He's great. He speaks very well. He got, you always understand what he's saying, and he was very tentative with the audience. He's helping us out. If you got a question, I like how he stops the whole thing, and if you got a question, you get your chance to ask it right then and there. He's very, very good about that.
Yeah. And last thing, do you think people should come to these workshops?
Absolutely. If you're in Florida, or if not, just fly down here, Tampa area. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing.